So, hello everyone, myself Mr. Siddharth Thakur. I am the lecturer of the subject CAD, Computer Aided Drafting in Mechanical Engineering Department of Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology. So, in this first lecture, we will see how to install the software in your computer. So, what you have to do is go to your respected browser and select Autodesk AutoCAD. So, what you will see is something like this: Autodesk AutoCAD, and select on the site where you will see www.autodesk.in. So after clicking on this, you will see something like this. You will be directly popped up to the first page of the site where you will see the sign in option. So since we don't have any option, we don't have any account in the uh, Autodesk site, what you will do is clicked on the sign in option. So you will be automatically redirected to the second page, that is the sign in. Since you don't have any option, you don't have any account in this site, what you will do is you will select the create account link. So when you select on this, you will be automatically redirected to the next page. So fill the appropriate information, that is your the first name, your last name, your valid email ID where you will receive all your emails for confirmation. Confirm that email ID, give a simple password, agree the terms and condition of the Autodesk site, and create an account. So this is how you will be creating your account. So whenever you create an account, you will see that you will instead of sign in, you will see the initials. So these are the initials of my first name and my last name, that is Siddharth S and Thakur T. So what will be your the initials will be according to your name. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to scroll down and go to the Autodesk page. Okay, so here we are in the get product side, and select on the Autodesk and select on get started. Okay, so whenever you select this, you will be again redirected to another page of AutoCAD, because Autodesk creates ample of softwares. For example, this Revit, Autodesk for Mac, and 3D Max, Inventors Professional, Maya. There are many more software like AutoCAD, and we are specifically concentrating on this software. So select on AutoCAD and select Get Started. So you will be redirected to this page. So you have to select the appropriate country, that is India. So what is your role, means whether you are a professor, you are a student, you have to select accordingly. So here you are a student, so select student, and you are using this for institute level, so university or post secondary education. Okay, so select your birth date accordingly, and please don't fake your birth date or anything, because they will verify your birth date, and then they will provide you with the AutoCAD key. Okay, so after you fill all the details, select on next. So after that, what you have to do is you have to put the name of your institute, that is the Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering. You don't have to type this. You have to select on the pop-up arrow. Then they will pop up a number of college list, and you have to select your college name, that is Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology. You have to select what is your requirement, whether you are using it for media, entertainment, product designing. Here we are using it for engineering purposes, so here you have to select on engineering. And from where to where, means from which year you are starting with the subject, and in which year you will get pass out. For example, we have started it with you have started your academic year in July 2020, and it will end on July 2021. So accordingly, select July 2020, and you will be graduated in July 2021. Okay, then select next. After that, you have to put your valid email ID. Okay, this is my email ID. I have put my email ID here. I will be getting the confirmation link. Okay, so again, my first name, my last name, the country that I belong to, India, institute level or university level, Praveen Patel College, my birth date, and I will select on confirmation. These are the details that will come automatically. So here you don't have to fill anything; it will come automatically. Okay, select on the confirmation. After that, what they will ask is You have to upload a valid document that resembles your name, your institute, that is Praveen Patil College of Engineering Technology, and the year. Okay, so here you can upload your fee receipt. If you don't have any fee receipt, you can upload your ID card, anything that has your name and the college name together. Okay, so fee receipt of the college name will also do, and also the ID card has also our college name, that will also do. Okay, so upload the documents in JPG, PDF, PNG or GIF format and upload it. So after that, they will, you have 14 days to upload your document, and after that they will verify it within 24 hours, and they will provide you with the link. So this is how you have to install this AutoCAD software, and after that you will be getting the last message that the process to verify your eligibility to access Autodesk education license have now started. The verification process can take up to 48 hours to complete, means 2 days. Please check your email for next step. Also be sure to check your junk or spam. Okay, so as I've told you, you have to put your valid email ID where you can receive your emails and you can check it all. Okay, there you will get your key for the Autodesk, and after that click on close. So this is how you have to install the Autodesk software on your computer. And since I'm teaching AutoCAD since last 3 years, this step where you have to upload your valid document has come for the first time. So this was not there before 2 years. Means you on the spot you will be on the spot, means after registration you will get the link. You will get the you will get the keys directly. So this is something new. They have started verification of the students, whether they are really students or they are faking their account. Okay, so this step is for verification. So after that you will get this, click on close, and after 1 or 2 days they will verify your account, your documents, and they will provide you with the key of the software. So this is how you have to install the software. Thank you.